There was a small town where a boy named Arav lived. He had big dreams, but his reality was completely ordinary. One day, he came across a simple line on the internet. If you want to move ahead faster, don't just think bigger than others, think differently. That single thought changed something inside him. He picked up a notebook and wrote down what he wanted to become in the next 5 years: his own online business, earning 1 lakh rupee per month, and improving his family's life. Then he challenged himself with a bold question: what if he had to achieve all of this not in 5 years, but in just 1 year? At first, he laughed at the idea, thinking it was impossible. But instead of dismissing it, he started thinking deeply. He transformed his routine completely. Where he once worked for 2 hours, he now spent 8-10 hours learning and improving. Where he once only consumed content, he began creating it. And where fear once stopped him, he started taking one new risk every single day. After 3 months, there were no visible results, and people around him began to mock him, saying it couldn't be done. Still, Arav refused to stop. By the sixth month, he made his first earning of 5,000 rupees. It wasn't much, but for him, it was proof that he was on the right path. When 1 year passed, he hadn't fully achieved his 5 year dream, but he had reached a level that most people don't reach even in 3 to 4 years. That's when he truly understood that moving fast doesn't mean you won't fall. It means even if you fall, you rise faster and ahead of others. And that is real victory. Because people who plan for 10 years tend to play safe, but those who take a 10-year vision and chase it within a year are the ones who create history.